This is how to see who viewed your TikTok profile, so let's get into it. First of all, open up your TikTok app and then log into your account. So right here, simply click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now simply click on this followed option here at the top right corner and then simply turn this option on. So right here you will be able to see all of the viewers of your profile. So if you not find this option here, so what you need to do, you have to just simply move one step back at this interface. Now click on the three vertical lines at the top right corner. Click on settings and privacy. Now click on privacy. Scroll all the way down at the bottom. Click on profile views and make sure that you have to just turn this option on. So once you turn this option on, right after that all of the viewers of your profile will be appear here. So in order to check who views your profile, click on this icon at the top right and then here you will be able to see all of the viewers of your profile of your TikTok account. That's all for this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you.